Alright, what's up guys, and welcome to my unboxing and overview of the B450i Aorus Pro Wi-Fi by Gigabyte. So let's take a look at the box first. Ryzen 3000 ready, good to see. 4+2 digital, RGB Fusion, Smart Fan 5, all their features. Check out the back, some Wi-Fi, M.2 heatsink, RGB support, their audio chip, 4+2 digital VRM design, I think. Okay, that's the actual board. Looks like we got some RGB on the right side, Ethernet, USB, capacitors, PCIe armor. Okay, pretty standard stuff from Gigabyte. So let's pop this open. This is a really small box, by the way, for a motherboard. Alright, and here's the board itself. This is tiny. Alright, put that aside. Let's see what else we get. So, SATA cables, your Wi-Fi antenna, and the IO shield. Manual, and a Aorus sticker patch thing. Oh, and M.2 screws and standoff. Okay, that's it. Let's get to the board itself. Sealed anti-static bag. Alright, let's check it out. So, let's see what we got. This is a front panel audio, probably a COM port or some TPM port, your PCIe slot, M.2 heatsink. Let's check this side. PWM fan, USB 3. This is front panel, SATA connections. Actually, wait, this might be front panel. This is USB 2, sorry. RGB, or it says speaker, some kind of speaker port. 24-pin connection, 2 DIMM slots for RAM. Let's check out anything up here. You get your CPU fan connection and your CPU power supply connection. So here's a standard AM4 socket with the mounting stuff. Check out the back. No M.2 on the back. I think that's on their B450i and X570 boards. So it says team up, fight on. Let's check the rear I/O. You got DisplayPort, HDMI, 2 HDMI. Let's see, is that for something special? Nope, they just have 2 HDMI. So USB 3s, more USBs, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and some standard audio jacks. So, pretty solid looking B450 ITX board. Alright, anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video. Hopefully this was helpful to someone. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.